Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I got this 2014 Patriot. I'm at home doing some side work, ladies and gentlemen. The lady, she need a throttle body. We're gonna replace the throttle body. But as you can see, this particular throttle body comes with a new wiring harness connector that you will have to install. Okay, that's a new throttle body right there. It comes with instructions, but I'm gonna show you visual. I'm gonna give you visual instructions. All right, but still, for the record, go over and read the instructions anyway. Now, again, this particular throttle body will have to have a new harness installed. Now, let me put this warning out real quick, ladies and gentlemen. This is a do-it-yourself job, but this warning, please do not do this job at home unless you have a scan tool that's able to relearn the throttle body. ETC, electronic throttle control. It will have to be relearned. If not, you probably will not be able to move, okay? Sometimes you may get lucky, but you probably will not move if the throttle body is not relearned. So do not do this job. Do not attempt this job if you do not have this capability. All right, now let's get with it. All right, let's get these hoses removed. Ladies and gentlemen, wait a minute. First thing you need to do is disconnect this battery. All right, always disconnect the battery when we're doing any kind of repairs on the car. Now let's remove this hose. All right, now if you look straight down there, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the throttle body. All right, unhook the connector. It is held on by 4 bolts and a 13mm bolt that also holds the bracket to the transmission. All right, let's get you an electric drill. If you don't have one, you can use a typical socket. Reach down in there, remove the 4 bolts holding the throttle body to the intake. All right, so once we got these off, like I say, simply grab your 13mm wrench and remove that bolt holding the bracket on. From there, it's pretty simple, man. Remove the throttle body out of its place. Let me say this warning again. Let me repeat this. Do not attempt this job if you do not have a way to relearn the throttle. All right, that's a special scan tool. That's a scan tool. I don't know what y'all using in the aftermarket world, but the throttle body will have to be relearned. Okay, now let's get this out of here, ladies and gentlemen. Simply install the new or put the new throttle body in its place. Now let's go over real quickly this wiring harness. It has to be replaced. So, but this is another warning. What I want you to do is look at this, man. Screenshot this wiring diagram, okay? Because most of the time, the color that comes with the instructions are wrong, and you could get lost. All right, here's my new package. All right, let's do these one at a time. All right, so you will not get it wrong. I highly suggest you solder these wires together. Put some heat shrink tube in place first, and then solder the joints together. Do not use or just use electrical tape, because I will go over in a separate video on how to properly solder wires together. There's a not so much tricky way, but there's a special way you do it. Again, screenshot this diagram right here, baby. It's very important. The wire diagram could be wrong on the sheet you have, so I will supply all my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. All right, let's do these one at a time, baby, so we don't get them confused and get them messed up. I got it done. Simply use electrical tape to make the wire harness look professional. All right, now the throttle body is already on. Let's put the harness down there, plug it in, and there you have it. Relearn your throttle control, and you are done. So, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.